How to send PowerPoint presentation on mobile WhatsApp. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pinbisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can send PPT or PowerPoint presentation on WhatsApp on mobile. Now the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. In order to do so, first things first, what you can do is you can first save the PowerPoint presentation to your device, right? On your phone, you want to download it or save it as a file. Once you have done so, you can simply open up WhatsApp and then head over to a particular chat. On the chat now, what you can do is at the bottom you can see beside the camera icon, the little pin icon there. You want to tap on it and you want to tap on documents. From here you want to select the particular PowerPoint presentation file that you downloaded that you wish to send on WhatsApp, and then you can simply tap on it and select it and send it. So this is the way that you can easily send PowerPoint presentation on mobile through WhatsApp. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.